Hello everyone, welcome to Epic Bong Kitchen. Today I am going to share with you a delicious recipe, cabbage kofta curry. This kofta curry you can serve with roti or paratha. If you are watching my video, try to make this recipe and let me know in the comment section below how you like it. For cabbage kofta, here I am taking half cup of finely chopped cabbage. I used the pulling chopper. Also you can use the grater, but do not use the large size or medium size. Take the small one. Now I am adding pinch of asafoetida or hing, 1 teaspoon salt, pinch of turmeric, 1 teaspoon roasted cumin powder, 1 teaspoon roasted carom powder or ajwain, 2 chopped green chilies, half tablespoon ginger paste, 2 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves or cilantro. Mix them together. Now add gram flour, 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoon, 3 tablespoon. Save some gram flour. If we need, we will add later. See, cabbage has own water, so add the gram flour as much as you need for binding. Do not add water. I think I need more gram flour. Half tablespoon, 1 teaspoon vegetable oil. Mix it very well. Okay, the batter is ready now. Let's fry the kofta. Here I have some vegetable oil to fry the kofta. Keep the flame high now. Once oil is hot, keep it on medium heat. Just check the oil if it is ready. Yes, oil is ready. Now keep the flame on medium. Otherwise the kofta will not cook properly inside. I will fry the kofta in 2 batches. Flip carefully, otherwise they can break. Adjust the flame when you need, but do not fry on high heat. Fry them till golden brown. It's done. Remove them. Fried kofta is ready. For the gravy, here I am taking 1 small size roughly chopped onion, 1 small size tomato, 2 ripe green chilies, little bit ginger about half tablespoon, 1 garlic cloves. If you don't like garlic, you can skip it. Half tablespoon cashew nut powder. I will blend them together to make a fine paste. Here I am taking half tablespoon gram flour, half tablespoon red chili powder, half tablespoon cumin powder, half tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon roasted kasuri methi or fenugreek, half tablespoon pomegranate powder, pinch of sugar, pinch of garam masala, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 3 to 4 cloves, 2 green cardamom and little bit cinnamon stick. And we need 2 tablespoon vegetable oil and asafoetida. Take a blender jar, add chopped tomato, ripe green chilies, ginger, garlic, chopped onion and cashew nut powder. Add little bit water. Masala is ready. Now we will add all the masalas in the yogurt. Turmeric, red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder and pomegranate powder. Mix them very well. Add little bit water. Masala is ready. Let's make the gravy. Let's heat the kadai. In the same kadai, I am adding 2 tablespoons oil. Keep the flame on medium. Once oil is hot, add whole garam masala, cumin seeds, gram flour. Fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. Keep stirring until the raw flavor goes away. Now add the masala paste. Saute it for 3 to 4 minutes. It's time to add yogurt mix masala. So turn on the heat or keep it on low. I will keep it on low. Add the yogurt mix masala. Mix it well. Now keep the flame on medium. Add salt, kasuri methi or fenugreek, garam masala and sugar. Saute it for 5 more minutes. It's been 5 minutes. Now add some water. I added half cup of water. Now keep the flame on high and cover it for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. Now add the fried kofta. Mix it gently. Keep the flame on low and remove the kadai. Here I am adding 1 teaspoon vegetable oil. Oil is hot. Now I am adding pinch of asafoetida. Add into the gravy. And mix it gently. Again keep the flame on medium and cover it for 3 more minutes. After 3 minutes, now add the chopped coriander leaves. Mix it. Cabbage kofta curry is ready. Switch off the flame. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Take care. Bye.